Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set or change WooCommerce order status when order contain a specific product item using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see we added product ceramic bowls. Now go to edit product. So this is our ID 1404. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see order status processing. So we are going to change order status to processing when specific product item in our order. Now scroll down, you see update status processing and then you see product ID 1404. Now go to edit product. Now you see product ID 1404. Now back to code. So you can add your product ID. So we are going to change order status to processing when this product ID contain in order. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now go to checkout page. Now refresh the page. Now you see product and then you see payment gateway, direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. So by default order status for direct bank transfer is on hold, but we select specific product ID. Now check this and then click on place order. Now you see order received. Thank you, your order has been received. And then you see payment method, direct bank transfer. So by default order status for direct bank transfer is on hold. Now go to order section. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see orders. So open it. Now order section open. Scroll down. So this is our latest order. Now you see time and then you see order status processing, but we select direct bank transfer payment method. So by using custom code we are going to change order status when specific product in cart or in order. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.